Okay, children, in the last class we have seen about the first unit, the freedom fighters of Tamil Nadu. Now, in unit 2, today we are going to see about the mineral resources. So, what you are going to learn today in mineral resources is list of minerals that are found in Tamil Nadu. Minerals, what are all the minerals found in Tamil Nadu? And then, what are the uses of those minerals? Uses of minerals. Uses of minerals. So, this only we are going to see this in this lesson. So, what are the minerals found in Tamil Nadu and what are the uses of minerals uses of minerals. So, this only we are going to see about a conversation. A conversation between a father and a son in the new house where some electrical work is going on. So, father and son are in the new house and some electrical work is going on in that house. The son picks up an insulated copper wire from the ground. Insulated copper wire is insulated. That is, wire is covered. Insulated copper wire. So, you will see in the house also the electrical connection ulla copper rods thin copper rods. Adukku mela they will put a insulated cover black color blue color thick plastic cover that is to cover that copper. The sun picks up an insulated the copper wires cover wire from the ground. Why they are covering it? To keep safe from the current. So current is passing through this copper. So if you touch it directly, it will pass to our hands also. So they put a insulated means covered wire. What is this, daddy? The son asked. So on the mailer what is this? That is a wire. So simply number ketona ninga pathingla veetla so many wires, your father might have shown it to you. That is a wire. We are using it to give the electrical connection in our house. So all the electrical connections are given in this house through this wire. Son, this is blue thick wire and there are many thin metal wires inside. So mele blue thick wire irukku, ulla thin metal wires are inside that. So he is asking, son, mele blue thick wire mari irukku and ulla thin metal wires irukku. What is this? He is asking. So father, what is father replying? See, here there is a thin metal wire. So many types of thin metal wire. The thin metal wires are made of copper. So in the metal wires, these metal wires are made of copper. So metal wires are that is made of copper. So copper orangish color. So copper is one of the most used mineral in today's world. So இப்போ இருக்கிற world copper நம்ம நிறைய யூஸ் பண்ணோம் today's world. I have read about minerals in school. So what the son is telling, I also learned about the minerals in the school. They are very useful and are found naturally on the earth. So the copper is very useful. I mean the mineral is very useful and it's found naturally on the earth only. Okay, you are right. Copper is a very good conductor of electricity. So copper has the capacity of getting the electricity, good conductors of electricity. Is it? They say this is the copper. So in your book you might have seen children, this is the copper. Yes, copper is used in all electrical appliances. So what are the electrical appliances using? So copper is used for the wire. Copper is used for all electrical appliances. Which is the electrical appliances? That is we are using in the day-to-day life. Day-to-day life la நம்ம என்னென்ன யூஸ் பண்றோம்? Computers, televisions, mobile phones and other all the electrical devices, even mixie, grinder, what are you using? Light, fan, everything. So copper is used in all the electrical appliances including the computers, televisions and mobile phones, etc. Computer, then televisions, then mobile phones, and other electrical devices. Other electrical devices is also there, no? So the other electrical devices. Can you understand, children? So this copper is what you have so far seen. So this copper wire is given for the insulated copper wire is given for the electrical connection. So insulated copper wire is for given the electrical connection in all the houses. Okay, electrical connection. So copper wire is made up of metal wire which is made of copper. So that is a metal wire only, and the metal edhila pannirukanga copper only. So it is used in all the electrical appliances, that is computer, televisions, and even the mobile phones also. So these wires, this is made up of thin metal wires, and these are found mostly in mostly found in the earth only, naturally on the earth, and this copper is used for the most used mineral in the world. So the copper the most worldly used pandrom, and these are very useful, very useful. This copper is very useful and is found naturally on the earth only. You are right, and that copper is also a good conductor of electricity. Copper is a good conductor. That is, have the capacity of giving the current. Copper is a good conductor of electricity. Okay. Is it? Yes, it is used in all electrical appliances, including the computers, televisions, mobile phones, and electronic devices. Okay, so natural resources are very important to us. So all the natural resources that is very important to us, which are found in the day-to-day life, daily life. So what are the natural resources? Natural resources are important because they satisfy the daily needs of man, such as food, clothing, and shelter. Okay, and now the next one is, wow, I did not know that. Tell me more about the other useful minerals. So many minerals are there. So first we are seeing the copper. Now we are going to see about the iron ore. Iron ore. So iron ore, iron na irumun theriyum. Another widely used mineral is iron ore. It is mainly used to produce iron. What are the uses of iron? Son is asking. So these iron ores are found. So in the iron ores are found in found in Kanjamalai. Found in Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. TN means Tamil Nadu. So this mostly found in iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. And it is used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, bicycles, and thousands of other items. So these iron vehicles, engines, okay, and then railway tracks, ships, buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, bicycles, and thousand other items. So it is used to make iron ore. Vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, furniture, paper clip, tools, bicycles, and thousands of other items. But we are listed only a few things. thousands of other items. So from the iron is used. So okay, iron is used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks. உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் எல்லாமே இரும்பு பொருட்கள். Buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, bicycles and other thousands of other items. And natural resources that once consumed cannot be replaced or called non-renewable resources. So natural resources நம்மளுக்கு இயற்கையாகவே கிடைக்குது இல்லையா. So those natural resources that are consumed that cannot be reusable, replaced or called non-renewable resources. Natural resources that once consumed cannot be replaced or called non-renewable resources. Non-renewable, திருப்பி அதை வந்து ரீயூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது. non-renewable resources, நேச்சுரலாக கிடைக்கிற சில இது. So coal, petroleum and natural gas are called the fossil fuels, and iron, copper, bauxite, gold, silver and others are called the mineral resources. Can you understand children? So the natural resources that once consumed, one times some natural resources, some of the natural resources are that once consumed cannot be replaced or called the non-renewable resources. So idla vandu coal, petroleum and natural gases are known as the fossil fuel. So this coal, petroleum and natural gas are called, so இது என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா fossil fuel. Then iron, copper, bauxite, gold, silver and other minerals are called என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க mineral resources. Okay, so natural resources that once consumed cannot be replaced or called the non-renewable resources. And coal, petroleum and natural gas are called the fossil fuel. Iron, copper, bauxite, gold, silver and others are called as the mineral resources. So these non-renewable resources are divided into 3 types. Non-renewable resources. நான் சொன்னேன்ல, some of the natural resources திரும்பி ரீயூஸ் பண்ண முடியாது இல்லையா, cannot be replaced. So non-renewable resources can be divided into how many types? 3 types. What are they? They are, first one, metallic resources. Non-metallic resources. And the third one is fossil fuel resources. Okay, so non-renewable resources can be divided into three types. They are metallic resources, non-metallic resources, and fossil fuel resources. Okay. Okay. Now, the next one we are going to see about the gold. So, you know about the gold. It's very interesting. Even your parents, your mother, everybody, overall the ladies are very much interested in buying gold. How we are getting the gold? So, is gold ore a mineral? So, gold irkilla, gold ore. This is also the one of the mineral. Is a mineral. This is also the one of the mineral we have been using it. Okay. Yes, it is. Gold is extracted from gold ore. So, in the gold ore we are getting the gold. Tangasurangam solvanga, gold mine. From there only we are getting. It is considered as one of the most precious minerals. So, gold ki evlo value you might have known. So, this is one of the most precious mineral. So, that is why it is used in making jewels. So, son is asking, yes, romba precious endradhal vilai madikka mudiyadhu illaya. So, that is why this is now used for making the jewels. So, this is the gold ore. So, mineral idu vandu tangasurangam solvanga. This from there only they are taking this and then they are converting into the gold. And you are right, gold is also a very good conductor of electricity. Not only the copper but also the gold is also a very good conductor of electricity. Gold is also very good conductor of electricity. Can you understand? Not only the copper but gold is also the good conductor of electricity. And it is found in small amounts in electronic devices. So, konjam small amount electronic devices la kuda irukuma. Edhudla irukum, including the mobile phones and televisions and so on. Okay, can you understand? So, the good conductors of electricity is even in mobile phones as well as the televisions also they are using it. Oh, is it? Yes. Are there any minerals available in this district? So, unga district la edavadhu minerals irukka parunga. So, like this, so many minerals are there. So, we will say one by one. Okay. So, now you know about the gold. So, gold ore is a mineral.